Hi guys, it is day 3 in Berlin and we're heading to the museum of Nefertiti. Tavanya and Amira are here having their Starbucks. Amira being a basic bitch.
Someone put it on the map. My phone's not good.
It wasn't to that side. I hope our dad is mapping because we are just walking, and if we go to the wrong place, he's only going to yell at us. So, no win for us, ever. Literally, you have to wake up and go to the museum. Wake up and go to the museum. Don't understand the point of museums. Why can't they make museums more entertaining and interesting? Why are they so...
From her, क्या है तो ये?
Coffin?
Mummy will get up and call Serena, Serena.
सबका हो गया इधर. अभी हम बाहर जाएंगे.
Hi guys, so Serena was forced to wear her jacket. So this is her wearing her jacket in the hottest museum ever. It's so funny. And I was not told. I'm wearing it on my waist.
We just came out of the museum and I just want to say I'm feeling very hot. And it was not as exciting and fun as I hoped. I thought Nefertiti was a dead body and that's why I was so excited to see it. It was a skull. I mean, not a skull, it was just a model of some face. Or whatever it's called. Sculpture. It was a sculpture of a face. No, it was not perfect. Her eyes was fully gone. And I was like, oh, so lame. And then the golden hat, I thought it would be like all gold. It was only 500 grams of gold. Stupid. There, he's museum master. He really enjoyed it. But why not make it interesting, you know? Like, why do we have to walk around? Why can't they make a chair? Yeah, why can't they make a chair like, you know, an amusement ride and just take us and finish the whole museum in half an hour? Or have to walk and listen to one thing? No. I think museums need to be reinvented for the next generation. Sorry guys, it's Nefertiti and it's Prague and it's espresso. All these words that I say wrong, don't laugh because my family laughs at me too much already. We are actually at my most favorite place in every city whatsoever. It's the zoo. And I'm very excited because I'm going to see pandas for the first time in my life. And they have baby pandas and baby hippos. I am so excited. So it looks so good. Wait, let me show you. This is the entry gate into the zoo. My daddy doesn't say anything on camera except hi. Hi. Say something else, daddy.
See, look at the, it's like, looks like Indian elephants.
Yeah, the entry, no?
Yeah, the entry.
Yeah.
It's got an Indian influence. Even the gate up there,
Yeah.
it's more like a Buddhist influence.
Correct.
Even inside.
Yeah. Can someone please tell Anant Ambani to invite me to Vantara? I really want to go and meet the elephant. But I have no connections whatsoever. So please. Such a big zoo. I'm so excited. I wish I had the power of the guy from Encanto who could speak to animals. But I don't. Guys, they have kangaroos and they have pandas. The two animals I have never seen in my life. I'm so... I hope this is an ethical zoo. I will do my research and I will ask lots of questions because animal torture is not supported. That's a crane and that's a black buck. Just for your proof, it is a black buck even though it's brown color. There's so many. That's crazy. No, there's down there also.
Yes. You three can just see this in the mirror every day.
Look, these monkeys saying bye to these monkeys. And they're looking also patiently at you all. Oh, babies alone. Don't worry guys, we found his friends. They're here. I think they're having a fight. have finally reached the Australian part of the zoo, and those are kangaroos, but they're all tired and it's hot, I'm assuming. So, let me show you. They're lying down and looking at me. Of course, even though we're at the zoo, we are eating. Dana, how hungry are you?
Very.
So she's eating 2 pizzas at once. I'm culturing you and making you watch Slumdog Millionaire. Tana, you want to tell us which show you're going for?
Falling in love.
So it's basically a show where they have like dances in like English and German, and the actors are wearing like all Swarovski. So I'm excited to see it. Hopefully it's good. I don't know. That's the car, and then we're sitting right across. How exciting! Okay.
You never sat in a limo.
ऐसी किस्मत कहाँ मेरी. Okay, so let me tell you about the show. Okay, I think the first half was kind of boring, and I was like, oh shit, like, you know, I'm not understanding anything or whatever. And then I was slowly trying to understand. But second half was so good. Like, they had fountains on stage, they had like a pool come out on stage, then they had trampoline jumping things, they had acrobats, and I was like, okay, this was good.
And the
obviously,
rainfall.
yeah, and the rainfall also.
They had a rainfall also.
Yeah, and the best was obviously the finale when all the colors came together.
Whole garden set.
Yeah, the whole
There were
garden thing
flowers
opened up.
everywhere.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
too good. Come to Berlin, you should watch the show.
Technically, it was well produced.
Yeah,
Some of the choreography could have been
better.
better. Languages could have been, English could have been
More.
put on the screen behind.
They were doing it for some parts.
Yeah, but I think
Very
I think they thought if they translate the whole song, then it would like lose the
Meaning of it.
meaning of it, and you would just be reading the subtitles.
Yeah, right.
So it was. Anything you want to say?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Huh?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Oh, he doesn't. Eins Pot.
Any moment where Myra liked soy sauce. It was, we all were in some restaurant and I made her try crab with soy sauce and we went.
Hi guys, so today is our last day in Berlin, and today everything is a little bit chaotic because we actually have nothing to do as a family, so everyone's kind of just splitting up and going into their various places. I'm thinking what to do because I don't want to shop, and the Berlin dungeon is at 3 o'clock, so I'm just going to maybe walk around and have a drink because yeah, there's nothing to do and it's so cold, it's raining, and I just am not interested. Go to the museum and they will keep you there in a glass cage.
Yes, I am a amazing specimen of the human race.
The most annoying museum featuring Udit Chachu. So we're just gonna walk around and chill. Yeah, that's it. Guys, we literally just ate lunch and now I'm gonna have a passion fruit margarita, and they are having coffee, and these two are playing.
Nothing else to do, so we are just eating and drinking.
Yeah, and Dadi and Chachu are playing Ludo. So we are going to the dungeon now, and I am.
And we're going to leave her in there.
I think this is all a trap, and they're actually going to leave me, and then they're going to go to Crete alone. I'm out of the dungeon and I'm alive. I physically think I broke Amira, Dadi's, and my dad's hands, and maybe Tavanya's also, but she's used to it. I would give it like a 6 on 10. It was like I did not need to squeeze the arm that much. Yeah, I thought it was going to be like, because I've heard people go to the London dungeon and like they're walking in the tunnel and people keep coming out at them and scaring them. I thought that's what it was going to be, but it was more like a play where we were watching. It wasn't that fun. For a little bit right now, I made a reel in public and it felt like the old Serena was back, where I used to make like reels in public in Canada. And just as I was making the reel, I heard these two boys piche se be like, oh, dekh reel bana rahi hai. And I was like, there's a reason that I just don't do it in India. And they came and they took a video of me making the reel. Like I have the video. And I was like, why are you ruining my reel firstly? If you know I'm making a reel, don't come in the way. Secondly, if you want to discuss it in private. Don't video call your friend and show him. Like, and then I was like, yeah, okay, this is weird. And like, it's fine. I don't mind people looking. It's fine. I'm dancing in public, you know. But at least have some decency to do it. Or like, you know, you can whisper. I don't mind if you whisper to each other also. I don't care. As long as I can't hear it. Can't come till my frame and be like, oh, dekh reel bana rahi hai. Ye kya baat hui yaar? Matao. Anyways, now we're walking to this place called Burgermeister. It's apparently supposed to be like the most famous burger place of Berlin. So we're going to try it out. Even though it's already 5:30 and we have to go for dinner at 7:30. How my stomach is going to take it, I don't know. Sorry. We're at Burgermeister. How's the burger? Is it any different? No. Regular. Cool Chachu is back. Cool Chachu. Okay guys, now we're at this place called Frittenwerk, which has so many types of fries. I'm so excited. If I had the stomach space, I would eat all of them. Because fries are my favorite food. But my stomach is pretty tiny and I'm quite useless. So, currywurst sausage and fries and paprika. How's it, Tanya? Good. How are the fries, Papa?
It is like Maggi masala.
No one is giving any review of the fries.
Very good.
Good? Okay. They found their kid in Germany. Let me show you one. He's a white retriever. Look at this magnificent doggo.
Tell your parents that
Hello.
you don't want to go to the market hall. So we take
Hi. Oh. You remind me of Barney. Now it is 8 o'clock. That's all the shopping we've done. Now the plan is to head for dinner number 3, which is Won Cheng, or like a handmade noodle place, which I'm very excited to eat at.
Rhubarb is a...
It's like chasni. Like, it's so good.
Who's spicy? How is it, Nam Chachi? This chili oil is called what the fuck spicy. Guys, last night in Berlin. Are you ready to say bye, Tana?
Greece.
Mama, say bye to Berlin.
I will miss you, Germany.
एक भी word सीखा आपने? Guys, I want to tell you, I learned 2 words. Eingang and Einfahrt means entry and exit. And Guten Morgen, though we knew. And
Danke.
Danke? Danke means thank you. Anything else that you learned that was out of the box? Papa, what German word did you learn in your 4 days here?
Guten Morgen.
No, that he already knew.
Nur in Berlin, Verdant is Chan Gancher Stattel for
Just literally reading that word. Mom, where are we going?
To Crete.
Are you excited, Amira?
Cool. Beef. That's about it.